Welcome to in front of me OPPO Reno8 Lite, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So let's just first open the Play Store application, and after that here in the search we'll enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just click here to open the app and click enabling settings, then click here near the green Apple keyboard once on the switcher, tap to activate and go back, tap to the switch input methods and switch your keyboard just to the green Apple keyboard. Now we can see that's there. All the process is finished, so let's just go somewhere where we can see the look of our new device keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as they all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.